Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making the gear reliable. Charge your AirPods and phone, then pair them. Once paired, open the Target app, voice memos, Zoom, or your DAW, and choose AirPods as the microphone input. Make sure app permissions allow microphone access. Position the AirPods for best pickup. You want the stem oriented toward your mouth. If you're using an adapter or Bluetooth interface, connect it now. This first pass gets your device and app communicating, so you can record clean audio without surprises. Once done pairing, you'll configure levels and options so your capture sounds good. You should set input gain in the app or system audio control so peaks sit around -12 to -6 decibels. This prevents clipping while preserving dynamics. Make sure noise cancellation or transparency modes are set depending on desired room tone, off for natural capture, on for noisy environments. If your app supports monitoring, enable it briefly to confirm tone and latency. Adjust distance to your mouth to refine closeness and clarity. You're ready to record. Start with a brief test take and listen critically for sibilance, background noise, or Bluetooth dropouts. Once satisfied, perform your session in consistent segments and export in a lossless format like WAV or AIF for editing. Use MP3 for quick sharing. If you encounter stuttering or disconnects, reconnect Bluetooth, reset the AirPods by holding the case button, or try another device to isolate the problem. That single troubleshooting step resolves most connectivity and input issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.